Hello, I will show you how to make an off-timer delay. This circuit is simple and uses only 3 electronic components. The off time of this circuit is around 15 seconds. But you can change the R value to increase or decrease off time. Let's start. Connect a MOSFET gate pin to R1 and connect another R1 leg to the ground. Then connect a MOSFET gate pin to a capacitor and connect another capacitor leg to the positive terminal. R and C are used as RC time constants. I use MOSFET because it has a very high input impedance, so the timer you set will be accurate even with output load current change. Connect a MOSFET drain pin to load and connect load plus to the positive terminal. Connect a MOSFET gate pin to the S1 push switch and connect another push switch leg to the positive terminal. A 1000 UF capacitor and 10 kilo-ohms resistor delay off time around 15 seconds. You can change the R1 value if you need more or less off time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and click subscribe for a more simple DIY project.